everyone, welcome to A Clean House with Muddy Boots, and today we are deep cleaning our microwave. This is by far the easiest kitchen appliance to clean, so if you are spending lots of time scrubbing your microwave down to try to get it as clean as possible, then make sure that you watch the rest of this video because trust me, there is a much easier way. I first started by removing the plate and just giving it a wash in the sink with just some dish soap. And then all I'm going to do is fill up this glass container with vinegar and put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. Believe me, the vinegar will break up everything that is caked on in there, and all you will have to do is easily just wipe it away. No scrubbing needed. Now I know my microwave wasn't that bad to begin with, but I do this process pretty often because it's so easy. All you gotta do is put vinegar in the microwave and it just wipes down super easy. And I don't even really have a time frame of when to do this. I do it whenever I notice that it's starting to look bad on the inside. I'm just going to finish up by cleaning the outside of the microwave as well as underneath just by moving it out of the way. And then we're going to be done, and that's it. Super easy. And I hope you were able to learn something from this video, and thanks so much for joining me today. Bye!